Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampore. I am your maths mentor Sanjay Tomar and I welcome you all in this very important session guys. What we have planned for you based for CGL 2022 examination. Based for CGL 2022 examination guys. So please do join, and once you join, please do not forget to let us know by your comments as well. Okay. Okay. Once you join, guys, please do not forget to share the session with your friends. Today, we are beginning a fresh topic, profit and loss. In this CGL 2022 preparation journey, we are beginning a fresh topic, profit and loss, guys, today itself. So do join, and after the join, do let me know as well. Hello, Harika. Very good evening. Very good evening to all, guys. Once you join, do not forget to share the session as well. Okay, so the points which we are going to discuss today, we are going to start with the basics and we'll tackle with the questions. We are going to start with the basics and going to tackle with the questions as well. Hello, Sarathi. So some basic terminologies I hope everyone knows. Some basic terminologies I hope everyone knows. The terminologies are CP is cost price. The price at which article is bought. The price at which article is bought. Generally, we would be dealing this session as a in the respect of shopkeeper. We would be dealing it in a shopkeeper, in the respect of shopkeeper. So for shopkeeper, he would be buying a thing. He would be first buying a thing at a cost price. Then he would be selling. Then he would be selling it. Then he would be selling it at selling price. SP. Two cases are possible. Either he will have profit or he will have loss. Only two cases are possible. Either it is he is going to have profit or loss, or no profit, no loss. So, when does profit happens, guys? Profit happens when SP is greater than CP. And what is the value of profit? The value of the profit is the difference of SP and CP. The value of the profit is the difference of SP and CP. Hello, Putin, Mr. Putin. You are highly welcomed. Then, what is the case for loss? The case for loss is when CP is greater than SP. And what is the value of loss? The value of loss is the difference of CP and SP. The value of loss is the difference of a CP and SP. Then the third case is no profit, no loss. Then the third case is no profit, no loss. No profit, no loss. No profit, no loss. In this case, SP is equal to CP. And no profit, no loss over here. So no profit, no loss over here. In this case, selling price is equal to the cost price. Come on guys, please quickly share the session as well. Very quickly, we are going to begin with the questions. Very quickly, we are going to begin with the questions, okay? Now, what is profit percentage? What is profit percentage? Profit percentage is profit over CP into 100. What is loss percentage? Loss percentage is loss over CP into 100. So you will say, sir, both profit and loss percentages are calculated over CP. Both profit percentage and loss percentage are calculated over CP. So both profit percentage and loss percentages are calculated over CP. So how much is the profit? How much is the loss? You are going to compare it with the CP. You are going to compare it with the CP. Hello, Ganesh. Okay. So both are calculated over CP, guys. Both are calculated over CP. Now, if they would be calculating over SP, they would be properly mentioning it. If the profit and loss is calculated over SP, they would be properly saying it. They would be properly saying it. If nothing is being said, means it is calculated over CP. This is actual. This is what? Actual. This is actual. Ideally, it should be calculated over CP only. Hello, Rachit. How are you? Hello, Rachit. Welcome to the session. I hope you will thoroughly enjoy the session. I hope you will thoroughly enjoy the session. There are some price questions as well. There are some price questions as well, whose price you are not going to get on the same day, but you can accumulate that price. Selling price is 8 by 5 of the cost price. Selling price is 8 by 5 of the cost price. You will say, sir, selling price is 8 by 5 of the cost price. Take the CP below. So selling price over cost price will become 8 by 5. Will become 8 by 5. What does this say? An article of rupees 5 is being sold for 8. An article of rupees 5 is being sold for 8. An article of 5 is being sold for 8. So you will say there is a profit of, 583. And profit is always calculated over CP. Profit percentage is always calculated over CP. So profit of 3 over 5 into 100. Profit of 3 over 5 into 100 is 60%. 60%. Profit is always calculated over CP. So profit of 3 over the CP of 5 is 3 by 5 into 100. 60% is the profit. 60% is the profit. One question done. Let's see the second question of the day. This is going to be so much enthralling for you. Not this question, the upcoming questions and all. The CP of 20 articles, is equal to SP of 15 articles. Yeah. Off will cancel out. Off will cancel out. You can take this CP below. So SP over CP is, and this will come over here, 20 by 15. SP over CP will become 20 over 15. So an article of 5, an article of 15 is being sold for 20. So there is a profit of, 5 over the CP of 15. So 1 by 3. Profit percentage is in 200. Multiply by 100. It will become 33.33%. It will become 33.33%. Option number C. Clear, guys? 100% clear? Profit of 5 over the CP of 15 is 1 by 3. And 1 by 3 into 100 is a 33.33% profit. 33.33% is the profit of yours. Okay. All the very best, guys. All the very best for the upcoming questions. For the upcoming questions. Today I am going to distribute 3 to 4 points. Today I am going to distribute 3 to 4 points. One point for this. I know it's easy to grab, but still. Rachit, these are competitive examination questions. Like you talk about SSC, banking, government exam preparation. Okay. Harika obtained it again. So now there is no one in competition of Harika these days. Harika is with 4 now. Harika is with 4 now. A company sold 50 pair of shoes on a day, costing 189.50 per pair for rupees 10,000. So he sold 50 pairs. He sold 50 pairs. He sold 50 pairs for 10,000 rupees. So can I say it is 200 per pair is the selling price? Yeah, why not? It's a basic class mathematics. But it is elementary mathematics. It is 200 per pair selling price. So how much is the profit per pair? The profit per pair is 200 minus 189.50. I think it's 10.50. Profit per pair is 10.50. Profit per pair is 10.50. And how many pairs are there? 50 pairs. So overall profit is 10.50 into 50. 500 plus 25, 525 rupees. Is it an easy mark distribution in this particular question? Guys, it was an easy mark distribution in this particular question? Okay. Chalo, no issues. No issues, guys. Let's come on to the next questions. Let's come on to the next questions. A shopkeeper bought a chair and sold it at a loss of 10%. So assume for the shopkeeper CP is 100 Assume for the shopkeeper the CP is 100. Initially, well done Charlie and Shrivani. Initially, he is selling at a loss of 10%. So SP at a loss of 10% is going to be 90. At a loss of 10% is going to be 90. Okay. Now the condition. What is the condition? If he had bought it for 20% less, so CP would be 20% less. CP would be 20% less, means 80. 80. Then, now we will not read this line, guys. We will skip this line as of now. We will skip this line as of now. Skip. And directly read, he would have gained a profit of 40%. He would have gained 40%. He would have gained 40%. So, what is the 40% of 80? 32. So, basically, he has sold it for 112. He has sold it for 112. So, how much extra he is sold at now in this case? How much extra from 90 to 112? According to these values, how much extra he has sold? I think it's 22 extra. It's 22 extra according to the ratio. But it is given as 55. So 22 is given as rupees 55. Or you will say 11 2 ja, 2 is equal to rupees 5. 1 is equal to rupees 2.5. So CP, which I assumed as 100, CP, which I assumed as 100, has become 100 into 2.5, 250. Correct? Correct? Wow, there is something spinous going on. Correct, guys? Perfect. Come on, do let me know. Come on, do let me know, guys. Is it correct or not? So we generally skip this line and directly come to this line and directly come to this line. It makes our problem solving quite easy. It makes our problem solving quite easy. Well done. As you might have known, guys, that we at Exampur are working really hard for the student success. And the first thing what we have done in this direction is designing a very, very helpful app, which is consisting of lot of quality content, consisting of previous year PDF with solutions, job alert, quizzes, books, free courses, test series, study materials, current affairs, daily, weekly, monthly, and practice questions. So we are working very hard, guys, to make the things very, very affordable and very, very quality for the students, guys. So if you have not downloaded it yet, please do download it, guys, as soon as possible. This is the way to download it. Go to the Exampur, go to the Play Store, type the Exampur, install it, open it, register with the credentials, name, date of birth, email, password, and then you can use it by going in the SSC section. The SSC bilingual batch. Yeah, Mr. Putin's identity. No, Charlie, I can see you. I can see you, Charlie. Quickly share it, guys, across your friends, colleagues. We are going to begin on a very next level. Yeah, we are going to begin on a very next level. Assume the CP initially as 100. Assume the CP initially as 100. So, initially it is being sold for 14% profit. So, I will say SP114. Then, later you are selling it at a 8% loss. Later you are selling at a 8% loss. So, it will become 92. So, what is the difference between two selling prices? The difference between two selling prices are 14 plus 8, 22. The difference between the two selling prices are 14 plus 8, 22. 22 is given as rupees 121. 11 2 ja, 11 11 ja. So 1 is equal to 5.5 rupees. So my CP is 100 into 5.5, that is 550. So my CP is 550 rupees, bacha. My CP is 550 rupees. Now, when you sell it for 536, definitely there is a loss. Profit gone, profit gone. Profit gone, profit gone. 5%, guys. 5% or 2.5%? Because 10% of it is 55. So 5%, 27.5. So if there is a loss of 27.5, it will become 22.5, 22.5. It's double of that. So only 2.5% loss. Only 2.5% loss. C. Selling price is given as 536.25. So there is a loss of 13.75. And 13.75 loss over the CP of 550 is only 2.5%, bacha. If you simplify it as well, it will only become 2.5%, not 5%. 55 into 2 is 110. So it will only become 2.5%, bacha, not 5%. Only 2.5%. Is it absolutely clear? Is it absolutely clear? Is it absolutely clear? Okay, great. So, new addition 1 point. New addition in my question bank, 1 point for you. Please do it with lot of care. So every day, guys, I'm making changes. Every day, guys, I'm making changes just for your betterments. Nikita, Mr. Putin, you guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. Mathematical study, Harika, rest others, rest others. Rest other amazing guys. I want to tell the winner. I want to tell the winner. It's from you only. Some of you might be. Sarathi. So guys, I want to announce you amazing guys that it is really hurtful to say that none of your answers were correct. None of your answers were correct. Neither Putin, nor Harika, nor Sarathi, not mathematical, not Nikita, not okay. See guys, in a maternity center, 5% of the childbirth cases, 5% of the childbirth cases results in twins. So if there are 100 childbirth cases, I'm emphasizing the word cases. So out of which 5 results in twins. 5 results in twin and 95 results in singles. And 95 results in singles. Okay. So 5 cases are twin. 5 cases are twin. So basically in 5 cases, how many children would have been born? 10 children. In 5 cases, guys, how many children would have born? 10 children. Yeah. 95 singles and 5 twins. So in twin cases, guys, there are 10 children. Every one of these children would be identified as a twin. Every one of these children would be identified as a twin. Are you twin? Out of these, all children will say, yeah, we are twin. I am a twin. If you ask to any one of these 10 children, are you a twin? They will say, yes, I am a twin. So, what is the approximate percentage of the twins out of total children? So, there are 10 twins. There are 10 twins out of total of 95 plus 10. 10 plus 95. Total children are 105. 10 twins over 105 children. 10 twins over 105 children. So which is into 100? Which is into 100? 20 times, 21 times. So it is 200 by 21. 9 point something, 9.5%. Watch out. So when I was taking the classes for CAT and CLAT, initially, there I found this question. Uh, so I kept it with me. Uh, Generally, I do not used to take it in the pre-batches. But now, guys, I'm improvising a lot. And I'm committed, guys, to my point that whatever I would be teaching in this batch is going to be a game changer. Is going to be a game changer. No, they are five twins. Five twins means 10 children. They are 10 bacha. They are actually 10. They are 10. Five twin cases. These are five twin cases. Yeah. These are 100 cases. So 95 single cases and 5 twin cases. So in 5 twin cases, there is a worth of 10 childrens. In 5 twin cases, there is a worth of 10 children. And in the singles case, and there is a 95 single case, there is a worth of 95 childrens. So there is a total worth of 105 childrens. So 10 twins over 105 is 9.52%. Is it perfect or not? Come on, tell me. Is it perfect or not? So Harika was very close. Perfect, guys, or not? Come on, tell me. This is doable. Mathematical study, is it clear to you? Once you write down the cases now, the question will become automatically clear to you. Once you write down the cases, the question will become automatically clear to you. A trader buy jowar at 30 rupees per kg. 20% of the grain get vested. Okay, not very good sign. Not very good sign. He plans to sell the remaining gain to make 40% overall profit. To make overall 40% profit. So if he want to make 40% profit, you know that SP over CP should be 140 over 100. SP over CP should be 140 over 100. CP is known, but SP I want to find out. CP is known, I want to find out the SP. But as you know, bacha, that CP is of 100%. CP is of 100% and SP is of only 80%. SP of only 80% and CP of 100%, bacha. Got this point? Because 20% grain is getting wasted. Because 20% grain is getting wasted. So SP over CP is into 4 by 5 is equal to 5 by 7. So SP over CP comes out to be 7 by 4. SP over CP comes out to be 7 by 4. 4 is given as 30 into 7.5. So 7 is 7 into 7.5, 52.5. Please do watch out. If there are any issues, do let me know. Since 20% grains have wasted, guys, since 20% grains have gotten wasted, so SP would only be calculated for 80%. So you will say, sir, SP of 80%, SP of 80% upon CP of 100%, because you have to pay for the entire grains, is equal to 140 by 100. Gone, 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 gone. So SP into 4 over CP into 5 is equal to 7 by 5. So SP over CP is in the ratio 7:4. 4 is given as 30. So 7 is going to be 52.5. Is it absolutely perfect, bacha? Is it absolutely perfect, bacha? I've done it twice. For your better understandings, I've done it twice. For your better understandings, guys, we have done it twice, isn't it? Absolutely great. No, yaar. No. We should not be doing it. It's only a question of that some of the things are getting wasted. You have to overall earn a profit of 40%. It is not that there are two parts, one is at 10%, another is at 20%, and overall we are getting 40%. It is not that question, Poten. Is it not? It is not that question, Mr. Poten. Yeah. Where there are two parts, one you are selling at some profit, another you are selling at some other profit. It is not that one. Come on, come on, come on. A shopkeeper sold an item at 20% profit and another at 10% loss. The ratio of the cost price of A and B is given as 4:5. For A and B, cost price is in the ratio 4:5. I am assuming 400, 500. Any problem to anyone in doing this? Any problem to anyone, guys, in doing this? We can do it here. We can do it. Yeah. So the first is sold at 20% profit. So 20% of 400 is 80. It is sold for 480. The second is sold at 10% loss. So 10% loss is a loss of 50. So it is sold for 450. Now these are your selling prices, bacha. According to the values what we have assumed. According to the values what we have assumed, these are the selling prices. So according to these values, the difference between the selling price is 30, but it is given as 300. But it is given as 300. So 1 is equal to rupees 10. 1 is equal to rupees 10. 1 is equal to rupees 10. Find the total profit or loss percentage in the whole transaction. ये बड़े बड़े आंसर तो आ ही नहीं सकते. What do you say? These big answers cannot come. इतना घाटा थोड़ी हुआ है. It's not that much profit or that much loss. Okay. So the profit or loss is plus 80 minus 50. So the profit or loss is, even guys, do you know that even this is not required? Even in case of percentage, even the actual is not required. Do you know this point? In case of percentage calculation, even the actuals is not even required. You will say, sir, over these values, there is a overall 30 profit over the total CP of 900. So 1 by 30 into 100 is 3.3% profit. Have you identified the point, guys, which I told later? In case of percentage calculation, even this value was not required. In case of percentage calculations, bacha, even the exact value is not required. Only the ratios are sufficient. So overall profit of 30, because 80 profit from here, loss of 50 from here, over the complete CP of 900. 400 plus 500. So it's 1 by 30 into 100. Have you identified, guys? Actually, mathematical study, whenever the profit or loss percentage is required, and even if you know the ratio of CP and SP, only that is sufficient. Their actual values are not required. So I was knowing my total CP. 900. I was knowing my total CP 900, and I was knowing my overall profit losses. Plus 80 minus 50, that is plus 30. So overall profit loss 30 over the complete CP of 900. As simple as this. समझ गए बच्चे? समझ गए? The problem is getting solvable from the first two lines only. If you tell me, I will write it down again. So when you write it down in your notebooks, you will only assume the CPS 400, 500. On the first, there is a profit of 20%. So there is a profit of 80. And on the second, there is a loss of 10%. So you will say, sir, there is a loss of 50. So overall profit is 80 minus 50, 30. And overall CP is 400 plus 500, 900. So profit percentage is 30 over 900 into 100. Only this is the solution, guys, you have to write down in your notebooks. Only this solution you have to note it down in your notebooks. Only this much. Next. This is easy. You are selling the fans at the same price. So selling price is same. Selling price is same for both. Selling price is same for both. Selling price is same for both. On the first, he gained 20%. 20% is a gain of 1 over 5. So for the first, CP is 5 and SP is 6. For the first, CP is 5, SP is 6 in the ratio. And for the second, 20% loss means loss of 1 over 5. 5 is being sold for 4. But there is a condition. What is that condition, bacha? What is that condition? That their selling price should be same. Their selling price should be same. So, we have to make the selling price same as well. Make 4 and 6 same. Multiply by 2 here to make it 12. Multiply by 3 here to make it 12. Now the ratios are balanced. Multiply by 2. Hello, Ram. You missed some of the amazing questions in between. There was one question in between, Ram, which is like a maternal case. So when you watch this in the recording, please don't see the solution of it and try it doing by yourself. No one has been able to give the correct answer of that today. So CP 10, SP 12 here for the second. For the second bacha, CP is 15 and SP is 12. So overall CP 25, overall SP 24. So there is a loss of 1 over 25 into 100. That is 4% loss. That is 4% loss. If the values are same, some of you might remember the formula as well. That overall loss percentage is minus x square upon 100. Only if the values are same. Only if the values are same. Only if the values are same. So here 20, here as well 20. So it is minus 20 का square divide by 100. So it is minus 400 divide by 100. Minus is denoting overall loss. So 4% loss. Minus is denoting loss, so 4% loss. But this is, ये पुराने जमाने में करते थे हम, like now I have given you some advanced formulas of this as well. I have given you some advanced formulas of this as well. Yeah. So we will come to that in the second part. We will come to those questions in the second part as well. We will come to those in the second part as well, where that advanced formula would be given to you. So thank you very much, guys. That was today's session. I hope you might have thoroughly enjoyed it. What do you say, guys? What are your take? What was your take, guys, on the session and the content and the quality of the questions? What I've taken? Please do let me know in the comment box. Please do let me know, guys, once the session is over in the comment box. So I'm going to make more such sessions, guys, for you. Profit and loss, I'm going to get it covered in 4 to 5 sessions. Profit and loss, guys, I'm going to cover it in 4 to 5 sessions. Please be regular. Please be vigilant. Please be making the notes. And please be doing all the kind of things that is necessary for your performance. And whatever I suggest. So thank you very much, guys. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. We have already discuss about it. If you have not downloaded it, guys, I think you should be doing it, because it is absolutely a great thing. And we are working heavily over it. We are working heavily over it. Yeah, Putin, yeah, a lot of nice things we are planning. We are working heavily over it. Take care of yourself. Have a great time.